Iterating through a JSON object. I am trying to iterate through a JSON object to import data, i.e. title and link. I can't seem to get to the content that is past the column. JSON? I tried using a dictionary. This code only prints the information before column. Ignore the Justin Bieber track Smiles.
I believe you probably meant NB, you could use song.iteritems instead of song.items if in Python 2.
Your loading of the JSON data is a little fragile. Instead of, you should really just do. You shouldn't think of what you get as a JSON object. What you have is a list. The list contains two dicts. The dicts contain various key/value pairs, all strings. When you do JSON_object0, you're asking for the first dict in the list. When you iterate over that, with for song in JSON_object0, column, you iterate over the keys of the dict. Because that's what you get when you iterate over the dict. If you want to access the value associated with the key in that dict, you would use, for example, JSON_object0 song. None of this is specific to JSON. It's just basic Python types, with their basic operations as covered in any tutorial.
This question has been out here a long time, but I wanted to contribute how I usually iterate through a JSON object. In the example below, I've shown a hard-coded string that contains the JSON, but the JSON string could just as easily have come from a web service or a file.
After deserializing the JSON, you have a Python object. Use the regular object methods. In this case, you have a list made of dictionaries, etc.
I would solve this problem more like this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.